So now what we have to do in this section, we are going to talking about our like a conditional statement we are going to the use, and we are also going to use a relational operator in this code. So what is the I told you in the previous class, that is I am going to take the age, or and I am going to also ask to the people, that is the user, please enter your age. I am giving the message on the screen, okay, for the users here, because my intention through this program that I have to check out which age is eligible for vote or not. I have to the check out, okay. So now I am taking this age, I am showing finally printf function, we are going to the age and saying please enter your age, okay. Now I am going to use the scanf function, because we know that this is the your age is the variable, this is the block of memory. So if user will be enter the data from the keyboard, that will be stored inside the block of memory, okay, inside this block of memory. So what I am going to do here, I am going to use the double quote, and inside that I am passing the modulus t, okay, and finally I am giving the address of age. So I am saying that address of age is here, and now is finally close to this statement here. So scanf function is responsible to read the data from your block of the memory, and here I have to pass the format specifier. तो हमें एक फॉर्मेट स्पेसिफायर को पास करना है, जो कि ये स्कैनर फंक्शन को बताएंगे कि हमें इंटीजर टाइप की डेटा को रीड करना है. और एड्रेस ऑफ एज मीन्स हमने बोला जो ब्लॉक का जो एड्रेस है ना, उससे डेटा को रीड करो. The scanf function is going to the ready to read the data whatever user is pressing the through the keyboard, and it will be read from the block of the memory, that is the RAM. So now this is reading process is complete. I am taking the if condition statement, and inside that I am going to the say if age like less than and less than 18, I am going to the say if age is less than 18, so I am going to the say, so that means I am using that printf function I am going to the take, and printf function through the message I am using yes sorry you can't, you are not eligible, for vote, okay, eligible for vote. Eligible we have to the right, so we have to go to this part, eligible, okay. Now we have to the come to this, this one is error, I am not taking to this point, eligible. So oh sorry, here I am going to write eligible is there, you are not eligible for vote, okay. So I am taking to this, giving the message if age is giving the less than 18, else if your like if what is saying else is their blocks, and inside that I am using the printf function, and inside that printf function I am going to the say yeah you can vote. I am going to the say the message here to the user. So user will be check first, that is the age. Suppose user age is giving, here I am taking the variable code, that is the variable को डिक्लेयर किया हमने, मैसेज दिया स्क्रीन पर यूजर्स को प्लीज़ इंटर योर एज. स्कैनफ फंक्शन के थ्रू डेटा रीड होगी, यहाँ पर कंडीशन चेक करेगा, अगर एज लेस देन 18 होगा तो अगर कंडीशन ट्रू होगी तो ये वाली कोड एग्जीक्यूट होगी, अगर कंडीशन फॉल्स होगी यहाँ पर तो ये जो कोड है ये वाला पार्ट एग्जीक्यूट होगा एज ब्लॉक का, ठीक है. सो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू चेक दैट हाउ कोड विल बी दर. सो मान लेते हैं कि एज हमने दिया 17, यूज़र ने एज 17 इंटर किया, तो 17 लेस देन इक्वल टू 17 लेस देन 18, कंडीशन इज द ट्रू, राइट. सो ये वाला जो कोड है, ये वाला जो पार्ट है हमारा, दैट इज दिस वन, इट विल बी द एग्जीक्यूट, ओके. सो दिस कोड विल बी द एग्जीक्यूट. व्हाट इज सेइंग सॉरी you are not eligible for vote, right. So this message we are giving to that. If a user is pressing through the keyboard like a 20, and now 20 less than 18, condition is true, no, condition is false, so it will signal will be go and jump to the edge block. Now this code will be the execute. So this printf function, this code will be your execute in this moment. So what is saying, yeah, you can vote. Now I am going to run to this code and understand to the easiest way. So finally compile to this code here. Compile, yeah, okay, right, .exe file is created, run this code. So I am saying please enter your age. I am pressing the enter here my age like 21. I am going to the press. See that what is saying, yeah, you can vote, right? So now I am going to talk about another things. Another time I am going to the compile, and in this time I am taking the age is a 60. Now is saying sorry, you are not eligible for vote. Okay, so in that way we can use the if else conditional statement in the easiest way. Okay, so I hope all of you getting to this point, and thank you to watching to this section. Thank you very much.